Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial on Blender 2.8. In this quick tip tutorial, we are going to learn about how to use loop cuts or ring cuts over any object in Blender 2.8. So let's get started. First of all, select the default cube or the object you want to cut and then press Tab button to enter the edit mode. Do not forget to press the Tab button. Now select the side where you want to have the cuts and then press Ctrl plus R. I repeat, press Ctrl plus R. You'll find a ring, a yellow ring in horizontal or vertical direction. Now move your cursor to switch sides between horizontal or vertical directions. Now move the middle roller button on your mouse to increase or decrease the number of rings or cuts you want. Now I am going to make 2 ring cuts by doing the exact same process that I told you. In this way, we can make cuts on any of the side we want. Do not forget to press the Tab button or Ctrl plus R buttons while you do this editing. This was a quick tip tutorial on using loop cuts in Blender. Thanks a lot and subscribe Tech Potato for more such quick tips.